Hey guys, welcome back. Yesterday was the global launch of Infinix Note 5 at the Armani Hotel Burj Khalifa. And to be honest, I had mixed feelings about their new smartphone while it was being presented on stage. Kept wondering if it was really an upgrade since the hardware changes seemed negligible to qualify for a whole new generation smartphone. But after the Google reps input and the hands-on, things became much more clear. Let's talk about the design and hardware first. The Infinix Note 5 sports a glass back just like the Note 4. It seems super classy with the gloss and all, but can also make it prone to smudges. This one is the ice blue color, it comes in two more colors, gray and black. On the front, we now have a 6-inch Full HD screen with an 18 to 9 aspect ratio compared to a 5.7-inch HD screen in Note 4. They have also adapted the rounded corners infinity display very similar to the recent Redmi devices. And since the screen has been stretched across, the fingerprint sensor has been moved to the back, just below the rear camera, which is a 12 megapixel camera with AI to enable portrait effect, which would make up for the absence of a dual camera, and auto scene detection to better cater for low light conditions and sharper images. It has 1.25 micrometer pixels and an f2.0 aperture. The front camera is 16 megapixels, again with f2.0 aperture and 76 degrees capture angle. It is also capable of capturing bokeh selfies and is boasting of applying customized beauty filters for different people with different facial features. The volume rockers and power buttons are on the right side alongside the SIM tray, which can hold two SIM cards and a dedicated microSD card slot. Nothing on the top and left, and on the bottom we have the speaker, headphone jack, and a micro USB port. Yes, still a micro USB port. The display is 1080p Full HD with an 18 to 9 aspect ratio, and at a first glance it seems pretty crisp and vibrant. You can also notice there aren't any common icons like gallery and stuff, which you would expect on any Android phone. And that is because for this model they have teamed with Google to implement the Android One experience. The user interface is pure stock Android with Oreo version, and they have ditched their own well-designed XOS. It might actually help speed up the phone and save them some time since they don't have to worry about updating their tailored applications alongside Google. Might as well leave everything to Google and focus on the hardware. As for Google, they have packed the Android One experience with some really unique features like the Google Lens, which they have integrated right into the phone's camera. It can help you identify everyday things like apparel, buildings, or even breeds of cats and dogs, just by taking a picture of it. Not to forget Google Assistant, which seems really responsive. I mean, the guy next to me was saying, OK, Google, and my phone was responding with the pop ups. Google Photos will now be the home to all your photos, which should make it more secure and sharing should be much more easier. The battery has been bumped up from 4300 to 4500 mAh power. With their 3 amps quick charge, it claims to charge 1 day worth of use in just 30 minutes, and a full charge should last for 3 full days. Behind all of this is a dual-core GPU, and the main chip is the MediaTek Helio P23 octa-core chipset clocked at 2 GHz, which is not really a powerful chip, but with a lighter OS to run, it should be able to cope with other games and apps and a heavily boosted set of cameras, not to forget the power consumption efficiency. All in all, it is not really in league with their Zero smartphones collection, but is definitely a fine upgrade from their previous Note model, and if all the claims turn out to be true, it should be definitely worth it. This was just a quick hands-on video. I received this goodie bag while leaving yesterday, and inside is this super cool ice blue Note 5. I'll be testing the benchmarks, camera, and UI in detail this week and publishing the extensive review by this Thursday or Friday. All you have to do is subscribe to my booth and turn on the bell notifications. That's it for now, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button below and subscribe to my booth for more gadget reviews, life hacks, and facts. You can also follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Instructables. All the links are in the description box below. Click on the thumbnails to watch my other videos or check out my YouTube channel for more. And as always, thanks for watching.